This is a review of the ESR hybrid magnetic case that I'm going to be doing a review about. And this review, we're going to show you guys everything about this iPhone 17 Pro Max clear case cover. And you can see right here, it says 3X military grade protection. So it has some protection to it against if it falls or gets anything like that, any damage or anything like that. It also has a MagSafe clear cover that comes right over here. So it's pretty much a magnetic charger that charges up to pretty much whenever you want to. So it'll charge up. It comes with that. But yeah, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we got everything unboxed, and this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max clear case cover. You can see how beautiful it looks, but not just that. One thing I love about it, and a huge plus about it, is that it has a clear protection that comes right over here by the lens. So that is also very important to have because you don't want to get any scratches or pretty much damage on your lens of your camera. And then not just that, it comes with the MagSafe, pretty much the charger right here. So whenever you get the charge, it comes with that. But yeah, the clear case cover looks really beautiful. What we're going to do now is that I'm going to pretty much put it on my iPhone 17 Pro Max and show you guys the finished results. Okay, so this is the finished results, and this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in deep blue. And you can see it doesn't take away the color or hide the color. It looks really beautiful, and you can see the deep blue color. I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit zoom up right here. So you can see it's deep blue. It looks really beautiful, and not just that, but it offers protection like it shows. But yeah, the main important thing about this particular clear case cover is that it offers protection right over here, and this is very important, especially for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. You can see that it protects your camera lens from getting damaged, so that's a huge plus right there. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this clear case cover for your iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you're looking for a brand new cover for your iPhone 17 Pro Max, or you're looking for a replacement cover or wanting to upgrade, then this clear case cover is by far one of the best ones because of the fact that it offers protection. It pretty much, you can still see the color of what type of iPhone you have. Like pretty much if you have deep blue, it's going to show deep blue. If you have cosmic orange, it's going to show cosmic orange. Or if you have the white color, it's going to show you white. And it looks really, even with the cover on, it doesn't take away the, the color of the exact iPhone you have. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this clear case cover.